Okay, so this is my recap for Thursday. I didn't take any trades today. Today was a pretty, it was extremely volatile, and I don't really like trading volatile days, so I didn't trade today. I did have a short marked out on gold that was something like this. Based off of this liquidity sweep plus this failure to reclaim the high that we made, we displaced lower. We got a very nice move. However, it moved too fast, and ideally I would have wanted price to go like maximum here, then retrace up a bit before going lower. However, that didn't happen. It just went lower, so price moved too fast and I didn't enter the trade. I closed the order. However, I did mark out this trade. This was pre-London session on Euro USD, GBP USD. This was actually a very clean setup. However, I didn't take this because I wasn't up at that time. So what happened was we swept Asia lows on both pairs. We then made a lower low on GBP USD and a higher low. We made a higher low on Euro USD, and I would have entered just off of this, stop above this because this is a protected low since we have the SMT, and targeted Asia. Well, these equal highs up here from New York PM and Asia. I probably wouldn't have taken out my entire position here. And just let it run a bit longer. So yeah. Today was a pretty atrocious day. I mean, this is literally just one big up candle where there's no structure to trade here, no nothing. Potentially, there is this. You could have taken a longer space of this, but since we already had this huge move up during or right after London session, we took out all of this liquidity. There wasn't much to take out. This isn't structure driven movement or anything. This is news driven. So that's why I didn't trade this. It's just too volatile. There is potential longs here on S&P since we did have the divergence, but it's just too news driven, so no trade today. Overall on the week I'm down a bit because I lost a trade on, I think it was yesterday. So if there's no trade to be taken tomorrow, then it's going to be a very slight loss this week. So overall not too bad. It is very volatile, so there's not much you can do about that apart from not trade. So yeah, that's about it.